video, we're going to talk about how to enable the new quick settings in Windows 11 build 25967, the latest build from the Canary Channel, which starts to roll out a new quick settings experience with a scrollable view. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable that and how to use it, even with a video. First of all, as always, we're going to have to set up Vive Tool on our computer. Just go and get Vive Tool from the article below in the video's description and get the latest version.zip. You can open it up using File Explorer, and I'm going to click on Extract All, and I'm going to extract Vive Tool in a special folder that I created in local disk C, and then hidden features. You can do this yourself if you want, but you're going to have to navigate to this location when you're running the CMD commands. I'm going to extract Vive Tool there. I'm just going to copy the location where I extracted it, and then I'm going to open up the CMD. Right click on CMD and then click on Run as Administrator, and on User Account Control, of course, click on Yes. First of all, type in the command cd and then paste the location, and then you can run the command that was found by Phantom Ocean 3, so a huge shout out to him. You're going to have his Twitter link in the pinned comment below, which is this one, vivetool/enable/id 39593188. Press enter and you should receive the message successfully set feature configuration. After you've done this, just exit out from the CMD and restart your computer so that the changes would take effect. After the restart, if you open up quick settings, you'll notice that you now have the new experience with a scrollable view. Basically, before this, users were allowed to edit the quick settings section and add the buttons or settings that they were interested in. Well, with this new view, you can have all the quick settings here, but you're just gonna need to scroll through them. And basically now you no longer have the edit button, you just have all the quick settings in this menu. And I think this is better because you can access your settings faster and within a click's range. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this new feature that can be found in the Canary Channel of the Windows Insider program. For me, it's pretty interesting and pretty useful because I like to have all the settings in one place and not be required to edit something to add a setting, and of course without having to remove another setting. So I think this is a great new feature. As a short reminder, just set up Vive on your computer, run the command in CMD, restart your computer, and you should have this new quick settings inside Windows 11. So this was the quick video for today. I hope you liked it.